Davy Jones Locker. London, 1720. Ian Kensington, captain of the British Engineering Forces, is responsible for the first successful recovery of a sunken ship. In the report to His Majesty King George I of England, Kensington mentions Davy Jones's locker for the first time. Despite it being a real artifact, he describes the locker in the context of a legend about the sea devil Davy Jones, who supposedly locks away the wandering souls of all sailors who lose their lives at the sea. It is told that on each sunken ship he hides a replica of the locker, promising to release all souls if someone manages to open the box. Since the first find, similar lockers were found in shipwrecks scattered around the world. Some of them are still kept in private collections, others in museums. However, nobody has been able to reveal their secret so far. We are sure that you are the one who will finally be able to open the locker and force Davy Jones to admit his defeat.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Puzzling. My name is Jasmine, and today we have a clue box. This is my first time doing a puzzle like this. I'm super excited to do this type of puzzle. It shows that it is a wooden puzzle, as you can see in here. But I've seen these is done on YouTube, and I've seen them done on TikTok, but I wanted to try it for myself to see if I can solve it and how long it will take me to solve it. Right now it is 12:32 in the morning. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the front of the box. It shows clue box with a skull on here, and it has like an opening of the wooden puzzle. On this side, it shows iDventure, and then the type is an escape room box. Escape room in a box, sorry. It's 60 to 90 minutes. I don't know what that says, but it says Davy Jones here. 14 plus, and more stuff I can't read. And then this is the other side of the box. This is the top of the box here. And this is the bottom of the box. Okay, let's get started. Let's open this up. I have nails on, so give me 1 second. Okay, so once you open the box, it has this pamphlet here, and then here is the puzzle. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So this looks like the top of the puzzle here, and it has different symbols at the top. You can see the symbols in here as well. Here's the side view. You see the W and the E, as well as there's a puzzle here. Here's some symbols here as well. I don't see any symbols up there. Here's another symbol, east and west. That's what it looks like. There's an arrow pointing here, which means you can pull it out. There's an arrow here as well. There's the skull here. There's more symbols here. And there's some symbols right here as well. Some arrows there. And then on the bottom, I see a start, and it looks like these can slide. Pretty cool. And I think you have to like line them up. And there's symbols here as well. So that's the puzzle. So let's get started. Let's see. Can't pull it here. And I'm believing to get these symbols, you need to start here, I think. So let's just start. 1 second, let me get a notepad. Okay, so I have my pen and paper that I need to get. So there's the start here, and I'm believing you have to slide these up to reveal. As you can see, there's a stingray here. So I need to try to get this stingray up here. So let's just slide this up. Let's see. Oh, it's going to be hard to do with my nails, but we're going to try. Okay, perfect. So I have the stingray here, and the stingray is a bottle. So I'm going to write stingray, bottle, and the stingray does this. Okay, so that connects to the dolphin and the tree. Dolphin, tree. Okay, so as you can see, the stingray and the dolphin connects. Okay, stingray, dolphin connects, and that's a tree. So, okay, so can I, instead of sliding everything, can I just look at the picture and look at this instead of wasting time sliding everything? For example, this is the whale, and I know the whale goes here. So the whale's here, right? And the whale right here connects this way. So the whale goes this way. So I'm going to rewrite this so that it looks better. Stingray, bottle. Then it connects to, oh, wait. Stingray, this is start. This is the dolphin. And these connect. And this is a bottle. And then bottle. And then this is the tree. Okay. And then down here is the whale. And the whale is connected to this way. And the whale has the anchor. clear. The bottle equals tree. The anchor equals cannon. The lighthouse equals mountain. The boat equals X. Yep, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now that we got this, because it was starting to hurt my hand, so I didn't really want to keep moving it, but I got it. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So now that we have what each symbol equals, like bottle equals tree, anchor equals cannon, lighthouse equals mountain, and boat equals X, we can now solve this. Looks like north, south, east, west. You can't do anything with this yet. I think you have to pull this first. Solve this first. So now that we have the symbols here, we can solve this. So bottle equals tree. That means these lines have to connect, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna try this one first. Bottle equals anchor. No, that's not right. Okay, let's try this one. Let's put bottle here. Bottle. And then let's put tree here. Tree. Where's the tree? Okay. So we're putting bottle here and tree here. So bottle equals tree. Is that better? Okay. Bottle equals tree. So now tree opened up cannon. Cannon equals anchor. Come back out. So cannon equals anchor. So let's put the anchor here. So anchor opened up mountain. Mountain equals lighthouse. Lighthouse here. And that, okay. Okay, so far we got it right. So the bottle equals tree. Bottle equals tree, which opened up the cannon. The cannon equals anchor. Cannon equals anchor, which opened up the mountain. The mountain equals lighthouse. The mountain equals lighthouse. And then mountain equals lighthouse, which is the same. Let's open up the bottle. Now we know that the only thing that's not on here is the X in the boat. So X and boat. Let's see if that works. It worked. Okay. Do you see? Do you see that? It opened up arrows and it's pointing to the left, to the west, and the east. Okay. So the east is here. Let's look at this side first. Okay, let's see if I have to, hopefully I don't have to hold it. But you see, east and west there, and east and west here. Okay, And I see that this has arrows here. So, I see arrows here. So, how do I know what goes first? Oh, can you guys see that? This shape here is this shape here. Oops, please don't mess up. Okay. Okay. This shape here is this shape here. So west goes first. So let's push the west first and the east out. Okay. It's out on the sides. See that? And then let's pull this. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, let's do the opposite. Wait. Okay, pull this again. Okay, opposite. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Um, sorry. Yeah! That's super cool. Like, what? You have the skull here. These are the keys that were inside of the box. Like, that's cool. Okay, put that to the side. So underneath this part is this right here, which looks like little stars. And I think you move it like this. And it also has symbols here. You can see. Let me zoom in a little bit. See the stars and the symbols? That's pretty cool. That's cool. Okay. And then you have this one here, which is the skull. And I also see a skull here. So it's telling me to move the skull this way. So let's try that first. Okay. So it was like this. Move it this way. Okay. Move it this way. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait. You can move it? I'll move it. You see, like there's an opening now. And it wants to, um, and I see there's a key and it won't let me. It's sliding. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. First I move this one, which let me open this one here. See that? Which let me open this, which open this. Oh, that's so cool. And that's the symbols that are on here. Those are the symbols. So let me get my pen again, my paper. So I'm not going to remember this. Okay. So I'm just going to write this, draw this out, and then put it on my book. So I don't have to keep going back and forth. So it looks like this symbol is connected to this symbol. So the man with his arm down, with his arm up, and that's connected to man with his arm down. So these are the symbols here. This side is at the top and this right side is at the bottom. So now that I have all my symbols, I'm going to now solve this. Because this has the same symbols here. Okay. So 2 flags at the top. So maybe I should zoom in. Is that better? Yes. Okay. So we have a flag that's like diagonal. Like that. And the bottom one, he's connected to left down. So diagonal and left down. Here. Like that. Go back to diagonal. It's hard to turn. Okay. Okay. So this has diagonal symbol there, and this is left down. And the stars, I'm just gonna draw what I see, and then I will connect the stars later. Okay, so it looks like that, like a arrow, but I don't know. I'm just gonna do that for now. now that I've finished with the stars, we're now going to solve this part here. Because on this box, that's the only part I see with the stars. So let's solve this here. I don't know how these look. So I'm just going to look at these first and then try to connect the dots. So let's start at the bottom. So let me zoom in. As you can see, these are just dots to me. But now I'm going to look at this to see how many dots this has and to see if I can connect it. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Oh, some of them, like this has 5, this has 5, but I'm gonna look at the pattern kind of. There's one sticking out here. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe this is this one. Cause look, right? And then diamond. That kind of looks like this. That doesn't have one like sticking out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would that be that one? But these all are together. That don't look like that. So let's go on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That says 4. I don't look like that. Okay, so I think this is the best option I see. Unless this one is it. That makes more sense, actually. So let's just keep that one that. I don't know what this one would be then. That, I don't know. It just looks like this, but that one also looks like that. Oh, you can't see it. This one looks like this one, and this also look like this one. Let's just skip those two. I know this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Let me look at this one again. I'm stumped. I'm literally I'm stumped. Because how does that? It goes there, there, and then one out here. So it's either this one. It's either this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's either number 8 or number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 6. Okay, it's either number 8 or 6 for this one. I don't know. That's this one. Let's do this one next. Okay, I found one. Look. Okay, is this one. So that's 8. Because look, this one, and then, okay, so this is 8 and this is 8. So these are 8. I know that. Okay, because look, that one is connected to this one, which is this. So that's 8. Wait, I lied. I lied. Okay, so this one's 8, and it goes that way. Because it's pointing to that one. Okay. 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 Now I don't know the rest of these. So let's find this out. Okay. So, oh, this way. Okay. This is the right one. Yes. Okay. Next one is this symbol here, which looks like an X. Or no, it's not an X. Is it this? It is. Is this one? Yep. So that's 2. So it's pointing to this one. Okay. Perfect. So you got this one and this one already. Okay. What's the next one? This looks like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, could that be it? No. It may be this one, but let me double check. So I'm gonna double check this one here. I'm gonna rewrite this. Yeah. Okay. So now this looks more like this one. But still 5. That complicated even more. What in the world? Am I doing this wrong? Left down, right, double down. Left down, double down. Is it covering it? Let's just, it's covering this one. So maybe it's just 4. Maybe it's just 4. Okay, so let's just try with 4. Okay, let's try it with that. Let's try it like this, which is like an L shape kind of. Another L shape. So, okay, this one. Okay, let's try that, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 8 top. This is 2 bottom. Okay, so this is considered top bottom, so I know where it points to. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. I don't know what this one is. I'm noticing that they only can go on one side, either at the top or the bottom. Can't do both. So we need 1, 4, and 7. So one of these is 1, 4, and 7. So I'm gonna guess on this one because I don't know what that is. So this could be one. It could be one bottom, one top. I don't know. We're just gonna keep going through it. Okay. So for this one, this looks like this right here. Honestly, this right here looks like this. So this one. I'm gonna draw it. You see? Same thing. This one is number 4. So that's 4 top. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. Now we have to do this one and this one down here. So this one, it can be either 1 or 7. 1's here, and that doesn't look like it. And 7's here, 7's here. That doesn't look like 7 either. 1 there, nope. 7 there. I really think it's this 7, because look. That looks like 7. So this is 7 bottom. And it can't be 1 top and 1 bottom because that's only 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one's 1 top. Okay. So we have 1 top. Okay. Get it right here now. 1 top, 2 bottom, 3 top, 4 top, 5 top, 6 bottom, 7 bottom, 8 top. Okay, So I know left means top because I can't do it like this. Left is top, right is bottom. Okay. So let me even it out. One top, two bottom, one top, two bottom, three top, four bottom. Four top, three and four is top, five is top, six is bottom, seven is bottom, eight is top. We did it, y'all. There you go. And this is the key. That's so cool. Okay. Now we can open this. Wow. Is this the last puzzle? Are we done? Wait. Okay, okay, you see, there's like, it looks like slider. How do I, okay, that has nothing to do with it. And there's symbols here. Looks like it's trying to tell me to match it, like the keyholes that you can see in here. Try to zoom. The keyholes are in there. And it looks like it's trying to tell me to match the keyholes to get this out. So I'm gonna break a nail, but I did, y'all. Davy Jones. The Davy Jones soul. That's cool. And there's a website on the back. Wonder where this goes. We did it in an hour in a few minutes. As it was 12:35 when we started. It's currently 1:47. So we did it under 90 minutes. That is amazing. My first wooden puzzle. Like, it was tricky. There were some parts that were tricky, but we did it. Davy Jones Soul. Oh my goodness. What a fun puzzle. I wonder where this goes.
Ahoy! You cracked me locker, eh? I thought no one was smart enough to open that box after all these years, but you proved me wrong. I'll keep my promise and release the soul of one sailor. Oh, you want more, eh? How about this? You provide feedback for my locker and I'll record your name on the eternal wall of fame and think about releasing the others. How's that? Anyway, this won't be me last challenge for you. Fail the next and I'll have more souls to keep. Har, har, har.
So I have completed the first wooden puzzle. And I have the Davy Jones soul right here. That is what came out of the puzzle. The Davy Jones soul. which is really, really cool. That's pretty cool. So that is what came inside of the box. Rating this puzzle 1 out of 5, 1 being the easiest puzzle, 5 being the hardest, I would rate this a 3, which is in the middle. Because there were some parts that were very easy to solve. Once I got one part, then I was able to just maneuver through the other parts. But there are some parts on there that was very hard to do that took me a while to get. For example, this back of the puzzle, which is the start of the puzzle, if I wasn't able to write the code down and just had to maneuver this, like slide it to answer the problem, I will still be on this puzzle. This part of the puzzle is very, very hard. But because I was able to like write the answers down and connect the dots mentally, I was able to solve this quickly. That being said, if there is a puzzle that doesn't have that type of ability to do, I would be on this puzzle all day. This is hard to maneuver and it's hard to solve this type of puzzle. So good thing I was able to write it down. The second hardest of the puzzle was the stars. Oh my goodness. The stars took me the longest. Out of an hour and a half, well, I completed it before an hour and a half, but an hour and a half of doing this puzzle, literally, I would say the stars took me the longest to do. Because the reason why this was the hardest, I feel like, because you just had the dots and you didn't know how the dots connected until you looked at this part of the puzzle. Literally, all I received was dots and wrote down dots. That was the hardest to figure out, how the dots connected to solve this problem. That was the hardest for me. Other than that, this puzzle is definitely an easy puzzle. Like I said, I would give this puzzle a 3 out of 5. 5 being the hardest, 1 being the easiest. If you guys enjoyed this puzzling video, please comment down below. Please like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you also want to see more puzzles from me, put it down below which puzzles that you would like for me to solve, and I will solve them. You can also email me if you want me personally to do your puzzle. Email me in my email down below. So again, my name is Jasmine. This is my new YouTube channel. It's Puzzling. Thank you guys for comment, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.